everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make the simple moss stitch ear warmer, but before I continue, thank you for being here, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications. If you're looking for the pattern for the sweater, I have put a link in the description box below. You can get a free video tutorial and a paid written pattern. So let's begin. You're going to need some yarn, a pair of scissors, a hook, a darning needle, and tape. You can use any yarn or hook size. I will tell you how to get to the size, but I'm using a chunky yarn and a 5mm hook. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make a chain that will get you 5 inches, and for me that chain is 17. You need to make an odd number of stitches, so whatever will get you 5 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah, that's about 5 inches. And then to make the moss stitch, you're going to skip the stitch on the hook and skip the next stitch, and then single crochet in the third stitch from hook, and you're going to work in the back bumps. So normally it's easier to work like this, you just work like that, but we're going to join it, so we just want to have a neat finish at the beginning. So we're going to single crochet in the back bumps and in the third stitch from hook. So single crochet, chain 1, skip the next stitch, and then single crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next stitch, and continue until the end of the row. Chain the next stitch, chain 1, skip 1, and then single crochet in the next stitch. So this is your first row. You can actually measure it to see if it's, yeah, we're going for 4.5, so it's just gonna be just about that. Then to begin the second round, you're going to chain 2 and turn, and then we're going to single crochet in the chain spaces where we chained 1. So single crochet in the first chain space, chain 1, skip the stitch, and then single crochet in the next chain space, chain 1, skip the stitch, and single crochet in the next space, chain 1, skip the stitch, and single crochet in the next space until you are at the end of the row. And then at the end of the row, remember you skipped 2 stitches, you're going to single crochet at the top of the 2. So the top one is where you're going to single crochet, and then chain 2 and turn, and you're going to continue working this moss stitch until you have the diameter of your head. So, and with ease, which means it has to be a little bit loose. So I am working mine because my hair is a little bit big. Mine will be 23 to 24 inches, but you can make it to whatever size of the person that you are making the ear warmer 4. So chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. So I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to work my ear warmer until I get 23 inches, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to join it together. So I'm done with my 23 inches, which is 78 rows. Okay, and then we're going to join this, but we're going to twist it. This is where it gets interesting. So once you're done, you cut yarn and leave a tail to use to join the piece together. To close your work. Okay. So once you're done, don't cut the yarn. Thread your needle and then bring the two sides together and then fold them in half, like so, right? Fold them in half. And then alternate the pieces like this. Right, so just make sure they are aligned properly, and now we're going to join by just sewing through towards the end of the pieces, and then sew your way back to the other side of the piece. Just follow the stitches. If you folded it correctly, you should have an equal number of stitches and it shouldn't be a problem. And then sew your way back. Continue until you're done, and then weave in your ends and you are finished. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Until next time, thank you for watching.